If you're looking to buy a house in Maryland, you need to understand the process. It's just not easy as finding a house and signing a contract. Four key phases of the home buying process will ensure that you get the best deal possible. In this video, I'll walk you through these four phases and how to navigate each so that you can confidently purchase your dream home in Maryland. Make sure you stay till the end of the video where I'll tell you how to download my free ebook, 27 Mistakes First-Time Home Buyers Make and How to Avoid Them. This comprehensive guide is packed with insider tips and advice to help you navigate the home buying process with ease. So keep watching. You don't want to miss out on this valuable resource. Hi everyone, I'm Donnell Williams and I'm an experienced realtor in Maryland. Over my years spent working with all types of buyers, I've learned the ins and outs of the home buying process, what works, what doesn't work, and most importantly, how to ensure that our clients end up with their ideal home at the right price. So if you're interested in buying a house here in Maryland, this video is for you. Now, without further ado, let's dive into phase one of the home buying process, consultation and alignment. First things first, you need to make sure that you're ready and able to buy a house. This phase includes a discovery consultation, a finance plan, a home search setup, and a service agreement. During the consultation, you and your realtor will discuss your needs, budget, timeline, and other important factors that may impact your home search. Next comes the alignment phase where you'll work with the realtor to identify the best mortgage lender and create a financing plan that suits your specific situation. This could involve getting pre-approved for a mortgage or assessing any potential financial obstacles that you may encounter during the process. A realtor will also set up a personalized search for you so that you can start finding homes that meet your criteria. And finally, you'll review and sign your agreement with your realtor. In that agreement, it outlines the roles and responsibility for your reader. Once you've aligned and ready to proceed, it's time for the home search. Your realtor will use their expertise and network to find houses that fit your needs and preferences. Then they'll schedule a tour so that you can physically see the properties and get a feel for them. When you found the one, your realtor will help you make a competitive offer that is within your budget and meets all of your requirements. Your realtor will submit the offer on your behalf and the negotiation process begins. If the seller accepts your offer, we move on to phase three. Congratulations, your offer has been accepted. You are now under contract. Your realtor will provide you with a timeline, communication plans across all closing parties, and final negotiations to get closing done. During this phase, you'll submit your earnest money deposit, finalize your loan application, review all property community disclosures, and perform an inspection. Your realtor will assist you with identifying a title company to ensure the home has no outstanding liens or encumbrances, as well as provide you with title insurance. Your lender will order your appraisal, and your realtor will also assist with negotiating any credits or repairs based on the home inspection or appraisal. Once all negotiations are final, you'll perform your final walkthrough. Then we'll move to the exciting final step, closing and celebrating. Closing is where all the hard work finally pays off. Your realtor will guide you through all of the documents, make sure they're signed and everything's accurate. Once all the documents are signed, you'll receive the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you are now a proud homeowner. Be prepared to celebrate this milestone together and make sure that you have all of the necessary information for a smooth transition into your new home. And there you have it, folks, the four key phases of the home buying process in Maryland. It seems like a lot, but with a trusted, experienced realtor by your side, the process can be smooth and successful. If you're ready to embark on your journey of becoming a homeowner in Maryland, reach out to me for your consultation and let's get started. Remember, the key to success is understanding the process and having a knowledgeable and supportive team on your side. I look forward to helping you find your dream home in Maryland, and happy house hunting. Before I sign off, don't forget to download my free ebook on home buying. It's packed full of additional tips, tricks, and insights that I've gained from years of experience in the real estate industry. This comprehensive guide will further demystify the home buying process and equip you with the knowledge you need to make a well-informed decision. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. Here's to your journey towards home ownership. In the next video, and keep an eye out for more tips and advice on buying a house in Maryland. So stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for all things real estate related. Thank you for watching. Donnell Williams, broker owner of Next Home Prime Properties. Now, they'll just navigate the home buying process alone. Let's strategize your journey together. I'm offering a free strategy session for prospective home buyers like yourself. It's an excellent opportunity for us to discuss your unique needs, expectations, and concerns about the home buying process. To book your strategy session today, click the link in the description to transform your dream of homeownership into a reality.